What are some natural remedies for motion sickness? Motion sickness causes nausea, vomiting, dizziness and other unpleasant symptoms while you are moving on a boat, train, airplane, car or amusement ride. The symptoms typically stop when the motion stops. However, for some, symptoms may continue until the body and mind are once again in sync. Crackers and carbonated beverages. Nibble on dry saltine-type crackers and sip a carbonated beverage or natural sparkling water to relieve nausea. Eat or drink ginger to prevent seasickness. Munch or drink ginger candies, non-alcoholic ginger ale, or dried ginger in capsules on your next trip. In addition to fighting infections, protecting against cancer, reducing cholesterol, and protecting against stroke and heart disease, ginger is known as an effective natural treatment for motion sickness, car sickness, and seasickness due to antioxidant substances called gingerols. Ginger can be just as effective as the prescription medication scopolamine, which is commonly used to prevent motion sickness. Peppermint. Orally, and as aromatherapy, peppermint helps to relieve symptoms of nausea. Sip organic peppermint tea or take a high-quality peppermint tablet 2 to 3 times per day while traveling. You may also use peppermint essential oil for aromatherapy purposes. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can occur, particularly with vomiting. Sip water or herbal tea to soothe the stomach and to maintain proper hydration levels in your body. In the event you are on a cruise, and can't disembark to relieve the symptoms, prolonged vomiting may require IV fluids to rebalance your electrolytes. Vitamin B6. A few days before you travel, make sure you are getting at least 100 mg of B6 twice each day, from a vitamin B complex supplement. You can also augment this by consuming more vitamin B6-rich foods prior to departure and while on your journey. Some B6-rich foods include snacks like pistachios and sunflower seeds. Talk to your doctor about whether this natural remedy for car or motion sickness could help you feel better. Buy motion sickness bracelets. Acupressure bands apply gentle pressure to nerves in the crease on the inside of your wrists that have been linked to the stomach in Eastern medicine. Place the raised plastic bump 2 inches above your inner wrist crease between your 2 tendons. If you don't have a bracelet, you can simply press your middle and index finger in that pressure point for an effective motion sickness natural treatment. This point is called the 6th point in Chinese medicine, and it is utilized in acupuncture and acupressure to alleviate nausea. Sit in the front or middle seat of the car. Motion sickness causes nausea, vomiting, dizziness and other unpleasant symptoms while you are moving on a boat, train, airplane, car or amusement ride. The symptoms typically stop when the motion stops. Motion sickness happens when the body, the inner ear, and the eyes send conflicting signals to the brain. By sitting in the front or middle of the car and focusing your eyes directly in front of you and looking directly at the horizon, you can trick your brain into believing you aren't moving. Licorice root. Licorice root significantly decreases symptoms of dyspepsia, including nausea, bloating and belching. Select a high-quality licorice chewable tablets to carry along on your travels, suck on them as needed. Never travel on an empty stomach. Make sure you don't travel on an empty stomach to reduce symptoms of nausea. Keep healthy snacks on hand, as an empty stomach will only exacerbate motion sickness. But don't overeat, drink plenty of water and eat small, frequent meals. Aromatherapy. Use essential oils as a motion sickness remedy. Stimulating other senses can distract from the motion, thereby reducing, or preventing, the symptoms. Thus, aromatherapy with essential oils like ginger, peppermint, or lavender may alleviate nausea. Eat and drink light. A stomach full of greasy or heavy foods increases the odds that you develop nausea. Abstain from alcohol, which can make us physically unstable. Eat lightly and drink only liquids that look like water with no coloring of any kind. But don't go too far, skipping meals can lead to nausea too. Chamomile tea. After symptoms have arisen, sipping chamomile tea may help to settle the nausea and relax the mind. You can drink it cold or warm with a touch of raw honey for sweetness. Black horehound. Herbalists have used black horehound, a member of the mint family, for generations to relieve anxiety and nausea. It is available as a tincture. Take 1 to 2 milliliters 3 times per day. If you are on Parkinson's disease medications, black horehound is not advised. Stabilize your head. If you feel queasy on a coaster, do your best to keep your head steady to minimize the motion, which may just mean leaning back. On a roller coaster, use any headrest that's available to reduce susceptibility. Close your eyes and keep them closed. Sensory mismatch. If you're sensing movement with your body, but not seeing it with your eyes, this can often lead to motion sickness. Do whatever you can to minimize the effect. On a cruise, for instance, stay out on the open deck, and keep the horizon in view. Sitting is best. If there are deck chairs, use them. Don't read and especially do not look at any type of electronic device, which could exacerbate the effect. Always look at the horizon, not at your conversational partner. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.